Hello, I'm John Butler, Director of Hypnotherapy Training International. I'm looking forward to being in Germany during the summer. We'll be teaching a course in transforming therapy there. And this course is teaching the full transforming therapy approach to problems. These are the methods and skills taught by Gil Boyne, developed over many years during his lifetime, as he trained with the very best psychologists, psychotherapists, psychiatrists, and hypnotherapists, and formed this amazing system called transforming therapy, which has been the basis of most of the analytical hypnotherapy work that now exists in the field. Although many people don't know about the full system, they've got elements of the system. Now, Gil Boyne, along with Dave Ellman and Milton Erickson, has been consistently rated as one of the most important people. Those three people were the most important people in the development of hypnotherapy in the latter part of the 20th century. And Gil Boyne's methods are an in-depth exploration of the nature of psychological problems, with the best knowledge drawn from many disciplines that have been integrated into this approach in hypnotherapy. Gil Boyne was the originator of many techniques in hypnotherapy, the developer of instant inductions, and also how to get to the root of problems very quickly, and then deal with the deeper roots of these problems, so that hypnotherapy is a profound system. Now, if you come on the course in Cologne, you'll be learning not only, if you're a beginner, how to get into this work and do the very best therapy work with your clients, but if you've been on our transforming therapy courses before, there'll be additional knowledge, more skills, covering all aspects of the therapy, and you'll be gaining a great deal that will take your performance to a higher level. And I look forward to seeing you at the course in Cologne. Details are available on the website, and I look forward to that, meeting with you then. Thank you.